This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles without a waffle maker. You might be surprised to learn that achieving perfectly golden, crispy waffles is entirely possible using common kitchen tools you likely already own. We'll explore simple techniques for both stovetop and oven methods, ensuring you can enjoy this breakfast classic anytime. Get ready to transform your morning routine with these easy, accessible steps, proving you do not need a specialized appliance for delightful homemade waffles. For stovetop waffles, begin by heating a non-stick pan or a grill pan over medium heat. Once warm, lightly grease the surface with a small amount of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared waffle batter into the pan for each waffle, spreading it slightly if needed. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This method yields a wonderfully crisp exterior. If you prefer the oven method, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat to ensure easy removal. Spoon approximately 1/4 cup of batter onto the prepared sheet for each waffle, gently shaping them into rounds. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the cooking time to achieve even browning and a delightful texture. This is a great hands-off approach. To ensure your waffles turn out perfectly every time, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overmixing your batter. A few small lumps are actually desirable for a tender result. Always make sure your cooking surface, whether it is a pan or a baking sheet, is adequately hot before adding the batter. Serve your delicious homemade waffles immediately with your favorite syrups, fruits, or whipped cream. Do not be afraid to experiment with different pan types to discover your preferred texture and crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.